Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and as expected, there was some price ejection around the resistance of 436,568 area, and market came down. So yesterday on the video of gold, we discussed two possibilities. The first possibility was taking a sell position when market will be coming down. Okay, overall the trend of the market was on the bullish side, so I told you guys to be very quick with your sell opportunities. Okay, and we were also expecting that after the selling opportunity we would get a consolidation and then a breakout. So the first thing that we expected, yes, we got it. We got the selling opportunity, but the consolidation did not come. So yes, the possibility of consolidation is still there for the day. So my dear friends, if you are looking for a breakout, then yes, you can still hope for a breakout. So during the day, if market consolidates around 4350, 4360 area for a while, then there's a possibility that market will be going up. Okay, if that happens, yes, we can look for a buy above the previous high here. But here, now we can see that market is forming what? Market is forming a head and shoulder kind of a pattern. Those who love to trade on patterns, okay, yes, you can clearly see that there is a selling opportunity below 4300. To be honest, I'm not going to take a sell position below 4300 because head and shoulder pattern never worked for me. Okay, I could not make money in my trading journey. Okay, so I have surrendered myself. Okay, so I'm not going to trade on head and shoulder pattern, but yes, head and shoulder pattern can be very much is visible on the chart of gold. So 4300, yes, today 4300 is going to play a crucial role. Why? Because see, for a breakout, market needs to survive around this area, isn't it? But if market breaks 4300, then obviously there is no consolidation, there is no breakout. So 4300 एक अहम भूमिका निभाने वाला है. So if market survives above 4300, then we can expect that after some consolidation, breakout will come. But if it fails, market drops below 4300, then obviously there is no breakout. Okay, so what can we do? So it's up to you. If you trade on head and shoulder pattern, if you love to trade on patterns, okay, then you can look for a sell below 4300. It's up to you. Personally, as I said, I'm not going to take it because my experience with head and shoulder pattern has been really bad. Okay, I love triangle patterns. Okay. And why there is a possibility of market dropping below 4300? Because we should not forget that yesterday's gap is still very much present. The gap has not been filled yet, and market doesn't like gaps, isn't it? So if market drops, we can look for a buy round. Yes, the support of 4244, 4240 is still very much valid. After the drop, if market takes support around this area, we can look for a buy position. But personally I feel that market will come down for some SL hunting. So we can also look for market for buy around 4200 or 4170. This one is valid. Okay, but is this a very convincing support? No, personally I feel that market will come down for SL hunting, then market will be going up. So I will be comfortable buying around 4200 or 4170. So today on the chart of gold, okay, opportunities are on the riskier side. Okay, so if a breakout comes, we can look for a buy above the previous high of 4265, 4268. But if market drops below 4300, then chances of breakout is gone. If you want to go for a sell, it's up to you. If market drops, the best support, strongest support will be around 4170. We can also look for support on 4200 as well. We also have a support around 4244, 4240, but this is not a very strong one. Okay, let's wait and watch. Stay in touch with the news as well, because there is a hope for a peace agreement between USA and Iran. Okay, But as we all know, okay, things may change very fast, okay, because we have heard about peace agreements between USA and Iran before as well, and it did not turn out good. So let's wait and watch. And if you're part of our WhatsApp group, then you'll get an update if anything crazy happens. Okay. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.